Welcome to the paradise.
Come to Mexico and discover the perfect setting to live in harmony with nature in the downtown of Honey, Puebla. Hi guys, my name is Manuel. Welcome to Mexico Adventures. Today I'm going to show you Honey in Puebla. When you are ready, let's go. Inside the North Mountain of Puebla in Mexico hides a paradise called 10 Rainbow Waterfalls, or Honey Waterfalls, where you will find a forest full of mystical looking waterfalls.
Del Salto tiene una altura de 35 metros.
Hello guys, this is the first waterfall. Her name is The Jump, El Salto. And welcome, this is Honey.
Get ready to walk. Hello friends, this is where our tour begins. We meet at the top of the Rainbow Waterfall. In here, you can enjoy this beautiful view of the valley. This river carries a lot of water in the rainy season.
Today, we're going to start the travel on this part.
Above the Rainbow Waterfall gets the tour routes. In this place, you can take your best photos. In this place, a guide tour of approximately 70 miles with a duration 4 hours is offered. Whether you enjoy it with fog or without it at the viewpoint, you will observe eagles.
We're going to show you this place. This is the downtown of Pauatlan. You can see all the rest of the valley. And then we're going to see the travel all the way because this is so amazing exploring.
Mountains and a forest full of life. Come and enjoy a beautiful view at the viewpoint. But the attraction of this forest extends throughout the road, and there are waterfalls that, together with the vegetation and mist of the place, give it a mystical touch.
My name is Vicente and I offer you the largest zip line in Puebla. Where will you be able to see the 3 largest waterfalls?
So we put our safety gear and head out on an adventure. The zip line is 650 feet high. I'm walking towards the zip line. I feel happy and I am excited. I think that living and traveling is the best thing in
Y
life.
si vienen a Honey, no se pierdan de la tirolesa, va a estar impresionante.
The experience in Paradise Waterfall is for adventurers with a taste for heat, who are willing to have a good time outdoors without fear of getting dirty. The terrain is slippery, so I recommend you to wear comfortable and no-slip shoes. I really like the zip line. I feel like I was flying. I recommend it.
Esto lo encuentras en Honey.
He is Vicente, our guide, and he is going to give you an explanation.
Cascada arcoíris. Este se le puso así por lo mismo de que pega el sol bien a ray. Y si trae hartita agua, pues se forma un pequeño arcoíris. Por eso es como se llamó cascada arcoíris. Se les recomiendo, es la famosa cascada. Vengan chicos.
Hello guys, this is a rainbow waterfall. Look at this place. We're amazing. It's so beautiful. This waterfall is located in the downtown Honey in Puebla.
This place is called the Eden of Waterfalls. Within its forest, it protects through works of art that nature creates. As you cross streams of crystal clear waters, perceive the smell of wet earth.
Puente de Dios.
Vamos a cruzar el puente de Dios, pero igual es bueno tomarse unas fotos y disfrutar de la vista.
It has corners where the breeze of the water, the sound of the birds, and the slopes on the land will make you have an encounter with nature extreme and magical.
The name of this waterfall is the Kiss. Okay guys, in the rainy days, all the people to marry and girlfriend, we go to this waterfall, we enter and put one kiss of love. This is a most spectacular and funny because you only like this, another one.
Behind the waterfall, lovers kiss each other as proof of love. We are in one of the largest waterfalls, called the Sumidero Canyon. Here you will receive the fresh breeze of beautiful waterfalls, where you will cross rustic water, write signs. Each of the waterfalls has a legend of history directly linked to its name, but one of the most impressive is the Sinkhole Waterfall.
This is the first area of camping, and here we go.
As evening feeling we have to a waterfall with an incredible history.
En este momento nos encontramos en la cascada Fuente de Vida.
The history goes that if you bathe in the waterfall, you will rejuvenate 10 years. Late in the afternoon, we reach the highest point, where the magic of this place continues to surprise us. In the afternoon, it is very sure that the mist covers the valley. Take the opportunity to take incredible photos. We are at the end of our path, and we find this wonderful suspension bridge. During the walk, you will find 2 suspension bridges and a considerable height to satisfy that extreme and traveling spirit that you have inside.
Bueno, así estamos cruzando, es este puente magnífico. Ya estamos. ¡Woo! ¿Cómo hacen los lobos?
The bridge is 109 yards long. Enjoy this tour with me. Without about, it is also an ideal place for nature photography, with dozens of unique settings to capture wonderful details and moments in nature. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to my network. My name is Emmanuel and this is Mexico Adventure.
Hi, I'm Connie. I'm from California and we are in Honey, Puebla. This is a really beautiful and magical place to be.
Hey, I'm Veronica. I'm from Mexico City. And look, this beautiful place, Mexico Puebla. Honey, come and visit.